In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate support strut on this Ford Escape. This is the passenger side one. The driver's side will actually be a different part because that one has the motor in it for the power liftgate feature. Let's get started. Either hold the liftgate with one arm or have an assistant help you out because one strut is not enough to hold the weight of this. So as we disconnect this, it will have to get supported. Speaking of, use a little pocket screwdriver or a pick, whatever you have that gets in here that can pry this metal clip out. And once you pry this out, if you move the liftgate up as needed and pull out on the strut, you should be able to take it off. You can remove your tool now, drop this down, clean this mounting point. Sometimes they rust and they need to be replaced. Mine is in good shape. So what I'll do is I'll take the new strut at this point and secure it onto the top. Line it up, simply press it on. On the other side, same exact procedure. Pull this little clip out, and as you pull it away, that'll unlock it. You can pull this strut off, clean off the area, making sure that there's no debris. Take the new one. You might have to push the liftgate up so it can line up. Clip it on, and there you have it. That's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.